Hello dear students, today we will deal with the adolescent pregnancy. This is the last topic of your lesson. Adolescent pregnancy is the pregnancy during adolescence. During adolescence. That means adolescent age is from 10 to 18 years of age. Due to the early marriage, that means early marriage is responsible for the adolescent pregnancy. In our country, the legal age for marriage is 18 years for girls and 21 years for boys. That means the marriage before this legal age results into the adolescent pregnancy is very dangerous for the health of a girl, because she is not that adolescent pregnancy they affect the health of the girl, badly affects the health of the girl. It limits the freedom of the girl. It badly affects the mental well-being of a girl, because she is not mentally prepared for the motherhood in this very young age. She will not complete. The girl will also not complete her education. Her career would be halted. These are the effects of the early marriage. So the early marriage is banned in our country, because the women, they also have the same or they are also are equal with the men in every field of life. Therefore the adolescent pregnancy is very dangerous for the girls. Next is say no to drugs. During this adolescent age, adolescents are very susceptible to drugs like alcohol, tobacco. This age, because all boys and girls in this age, undergoing this age, they want to experiment new things, and the bad company would provide them a possibility of adopting these drugs. These drugs are very dangerous for the health of these adolescents and for the family as well, because if adolescent becomes a drug abuse, these drugs would badly affect the education process of the child, and the child would not be physically fit, and different types of these processes will be affected by these drugs, because these are very dangerous for the society and for these young minds. Therefore all adolescents and all humans say no to drugs, because drugs are the primary cause of our social disturbance and our ill health. Thank you.